show you how to reset Google Chrome to default settings in Android. Resetting Google Chrome to its default setting on Android can be helpful if you're experiencing issues or want to start fresh, and here's how you can do it. First, open the Chrome. Tap on the Chrome app icon on your Android device to open it. After that, in the top right corner, we can see the three dot icon. Select that. Over here, scroll all the way to the bottom and we can see the settings icon. Select the settings. Over here, select privacy and security under the basics and go to the clear browsing data on the top. And over here we can see the basic and advanced. Go to the advanced and simply select all the options over here and go to the clear data option on the bottom. And this is it. This is how I can reset Google Chrome to its default setting on Android. And after following these steps, Chrome should be reset to its default setting on your Android device. And keep in mind that this action will remove your browsing history, cookies, site data, and other personalization settings. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.